Hey guys, welcome back to Mantra. Don't forget, stay tuned to this vlog because I'm going to show you how to get to Gareg Waterfall here in Padawan. So we park our cars here and we have no option but to use this four-wheel drive up this ginormous hill. 1 kilometer to Kampung Kiding. Here we go! Woohoo! So yeah guys, just arrived at Kampung Kiding. That was a really tough climb, but we made it eventually. And now we're excited, we're off to Gareg Waterfall. These are our guides. Time now 9 AM, so we're off to the start of our trek to Gareg Waterfall. It's quite a number of us. I think there's about 10 joining this trip. Terus melantak. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you know you are in Bidayuh territory when every facility or structure they build is from bamboo. And the most iconic ones, synonym to the Bidayuh, is the bamboo bridge. Very simple, but very efficient to get the job done. Okay guys, so we've about 800 meters from starting point. And so far the climb is steady, not that bad. I hope I don't speak too soon.
Lamanya kita orang. Setengah jam dah aku nunggu. Setengah jam dah aku nunggu.
Oh wow guys.
Sampai-sampai.
Macam Scotland lah.
Kau itu mau balik sini nak.
Okay, so we are midpoint and according to our guide here, what's your name bro? Siapa nama?
Mike.
Mike Tyson. According to Mike, we are halfway. And the trail here, this one apparently is the climb, and from here onwards should be descent. So another 1.5 hour. All right.
Depends on your pace.
Oh.
You maybe 2.
This is what you call the ijuk tree. You can see the platform up there. So they will cut that, what do you call that, that stem up there, and then they will collect the ijuk. Yes, this one is the organic tuak of the jungle. Lagi. That's a view, and we are about 2.2 kilometers from starting point, and I'm guessing the waterfall is further down into the valley here. Such an open space here. I'm assuming this used to be a paddy field of some sort. Yep, paddy field of some sort, so that's why this place is a bit open compared to the previous hike. Well, in terms of difficulty, this hike so far today, not really bad actually. I would give it a 5 out of 10. Nice, easy peasy, going up, going down a bit. Huge ferns, something like out of Jurassic Park. So almost at the waterfall, I think. But so far, I'm really enjoying this trail. It's such a beautiful trail. So many things to see, and certain open spaces, but not that bad. Most of the time, we are under jungle canopy. So we are 3.5 kilometers into the hike, and now we can hear the waterfall. So that is an indication it should be quite near. We almost missed this junction because the guide did not wait for us. There was no guide behind us. Luckily there was a group, another group behind us, so we're on our own track, correct track now to Gareg. So yeah, okay guys, just arrived at Gareg Waterfall. It took us about 4 kilometers, 2.5 hours. Barunya hiking in style. Okay, make sure you read the instructions correctly. Hah?
Luxury.
Tu mewah tu. Oh, ini dia. Oh, curry rice, man. For you. Nah, this one Asian lah. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Satu, dua, tiga.
Dapat dia punya satu ni.
Ada. Semua nampak. Semua.
Dengan jaga, dengan waterfall ada banyak. Dia dah bayar.
Ada. Sampai atas tu boleh. There you go, guys. The experience here at the Gareg Waterfall. And now we are heading back after we had our lunch. So it's another 2 hours and a half heading back to the starting point. Whew. This one is tough. After a long relax at the waterfall, this hill. Whew. Whew. Stairway to heaven. Slowly. Oh, that hill was really tough. Yeah, and also luckily for us, the rain has stopped. It's good. So we are about 3 more kilometers from base. Obviously, there is internet connection here.
Ay, benar mun aku ya. Alo, toeng otakku macam lain kali ni. Saya dapat ko lama di tempat dia. Aku mesti mau cepat-cepat balik.
So there you go, guys. The hike to Gareg Waterfall coming back took us about 2 hours 15 minutes. Seems a bit difficult coming back. So anyway, overall it was a very exciting experience. The waterfall was absolutely amazing. So I'm giving it a thumbs up. With that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching Dayak Mandra. Until we meet again, don't forget, like, subscribe, share.